In this video, we'll see how to work on the watermark. Now, we'll see how to add a watermark, edit and remove a watermark. Now, what exactly is a watermark? I'll just show you an example in the PDF file. So, yeah, this is the PDF file, and if you observe, there's a watermark given at the back end, watermark. So, you see here the blue color text which is written in diagonally on the page, you see that's written as PDF clown. The text is written as PDF clown, and if you observe at every page, this is written here, that's in the diagonal place. So, this is known as watermark. Why people do this? Because what they do is they write something in Word document, add a watermark and convert into a PDF, so that it becomes a copyright, or you say people can name their document. So, they can say this is my document because there is a watermark. So, you cannot remove a watermark from a PDF itself. So, this is how we can work on it. So, let us see how do we add a watermark in a PDF file. You can see here. So, if you observe here, I have some text written at the back end. Okay, what I'll do is I'll add a watermark. Simple method. You can just go to this place as layout, this one as design. You can go to the design tab. On the right hand side, if you see, there's a page background, and here if you see, there's a watermark. There are 4 by default watermark given here. You see there's a confidential diagonal, confidential in the horizontal, do not copy again, and there's one more given here. So, let's say I'll select as confidential. So, at every page you will get this text that is written as confidential. So this text as confidential, first page and the second page, and this one is the third page. You might not be able to see it because it's grayed out, the color is not that gray. So, what you can do is, if you want to edit the watermark, how do you edit it? Suppose you want to write your name, so you can do that. You can just go back to the watermark, and there's an option given as custom watermark. So, custom watermark, when you click on that, you will get this dialog box. So, there are some radio buttons given here. It says the first one has no watermark, the watermark will be removed. If I click on OK, you see the watermark has been removed. Second is, if I go back to the custom watermark, second watermark says as picture watermark. So, I'll just show you the picture watermark after this. And the third one, I have text watermark. Text watermark says what is the language you want. The first thing, I want the English language. What is the text you want? ASAP or some other text. So, what I'll do is I'll just remove this text and type some name, and the name would be as I'll write the text as MS Word 2016. What is the font type you want? I'll just select the font type from here from the drop down. Let's say I'll select this font. And what is the size you want? Automatically it will fix the size, so it has given us auto. Next, if you see, what is the color you want? So, I'll say I want the color as black color. And do you want it semi-transparent or not semi-transparent, you can select it. And the last two option, if you see, do you want diagonally in the place or do you want in the horizontal manner? So, I'll select as diagonal and I'll click on apply. So, see what is the text I'll get, MS Word 2016, the color is black, the size is auto and it is in the diagonal. I'll click on apply. So, I'll just click on close. So, this is how it is applied, MS Word 2016, this way, MS Word 2016, right. So, this one is diagonal. If you want, you can bring it in the horizontal manner. Same watermark, custom watermark, I'll select as horizontal, apply and click on close. So, this is in the horizontal manner. So, this way you can work on that, and let us see one more example. If you want to add a watermark which is a picture in the background, how do you do that? So, I'll go to watermark again, click on this custom watermark, and here it is picture watermark. So, in this picture watermark, it says you need to select some picture, any picture if you have the company logo or some picture. So, I'll select as select picture. It will give me a dialog box. So, I'll select from here, from file, and I have at some location, the location is here. So, I'll pick up this watermark, this one. Let's say I'll pick up this line and I'll click on OK. So, what I've done is I've selected a picture, and some picture is given here as pic4.jpg. And what is the scale do you want? Do you want auto or 500%, 400%? I'll select as auto, I'll not go anywhere, and I'll select as washout and I'll click on apply. So, if you observe, it is not clearly visible, that is washout. So, I'll just deselect the washout and click on apply. So, this way watermark is applied, and I'll close it. Okay. So, what will happen is, if you go to next page, the text will be written, and at the background you can see this image which is given here, right? So that is a watermark for a picture, watermark for a picture itself, right? So, and I'll just go back to this place again, and I'll select as custom watermark, and this washout means it will give you a light color kind of picture and you can work on that. So I'll just click on apply, okay, close. So this is a bit light color, it will not impact your text if it is in some light color, let's say white or blue white kind of color. So still you can read the text. Right now it is in the black color, so it's properly readable here, right? So this is how we can work on adding a watermark, editing a watermark, and the last one is remove watermark. It's simple. Remove watermark is go to design and watermark and remove watermark. So automatically the watermark will go away. If you see all the slide itself, it has been gone. So that's all for this video. These are the 3 topics which I have covered: adding, editing and removing the watermark. That's all. Thank you.